take a look at this. A juicy burger layered with lettuce and onions, all inside perfectly toasted whole wheat bread. Simple, flavorful, and made right at home. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this from start to finish. Let's get cooking. Start with your ground meat. I'm using a simple tool to shape my burgers, but you can also do this by hand. Press the meat firmly to form even patties. Try to keep them the same size so they cook evenly. Now season both sides with salt and pepper. Keep it simple. This helps bring out the terroir flavor of the meat. Place the patties on a hot grill or pan. Let them cook on one side without moving them so you get a nice sear. After a few minutes, flip the burgers. I like mine well done, so I let them cook all the way through until fully done. After grilling the burgers, I put 2 patties back on the grill. Now place the burgers back on the heat and add slices of cheddar cheese. At the same time, add your onions to the grill so they can cook and soften. Let the cheese melt nicely over the burgers. Once the onions start to cook, flip them so they get a nice golden finish on both sides. The onions have softened. It is time to get them off the grill. I'm using whole wheat bread instead of regular buns. Butter both sides and grill until golden and slightly crispy. Now it's time to build the burger. Spread mayonnaise on the bread. Add fresh lettuce. Then place the cheesy burger patty on top. Add grilled onion. A little more mayonnaise on the slice and close it up. And there it is, a simple homemade grilled burger, full of flavor and perfectly satisfying. If you enjoy simple, everyday meals like this, subscribe for more. See you in the next video!